AccountMate is a detailed accounting software solution designed for small to mid-sized businesses. It offers a range of features to manage various financial aspects of an organization. With its user-friendly interface and customizable modules, it simplifies financial processes and enhances efficiency for businesses across various industries. Now let's have a look at the importance of AccountMate software and how it can elevate your business. 1. Efficiency. 2. Accuracy assurance. 3. Financial insight. 4. Insightful analytics. 5. Compliance. At Meru Accounting, we understand the importance of efficient and reliable accounting software. We have expert professionals proficient in AccountMate software, delivering detailed services customized to meet diverse business needs. Now let's have a look at some features of AccountMate software. 1. Invoicing. 2. Expense tracking. 3. Reporting. 4. User-friendly interface. 5. Customization. Here are some services offered by Meru Accounting using AccountMate software. 1. Bookkeeping services. 2. Inventory management. 3. Payroll processing. 4. Consultation services. 5. Tax preparation and planning. 6. Ongoing support. 7. Customization services. Partner with Meru Accounting today and elevate your business with the capabilities of AccountMate software. Contact us now.